Hey beautiful people, let's understand comments in HTML. So comments are future reference or notes for yourself and has nothing to do with our web page. And the text or codes inside the comment portion won't be rendered by the browser. So how we write a comment? In this page I have 3 heading tags. Let's say I want to test that how our web page looks without this I liked Thanos. So before this h3 tag I'm gonna write the opening comment, so less than symbol, then we give a exclamation sign, then we write 2 hyphen. So you can see as I write the opening comment part, you can see after that everything turned into green. That means this portion of the code is now comment, and if I save the file, this portion will be ignored or avoided by the browser. So I don't want that the closing body tag and the closing HTML tag to be avoided by the browser. So I'm gonna write the closing comment after the closing heading 3 tag. So I'm gonna write 2 hyphen after the heading 3, then I will write the greater than symbol. Now this part of the page is a comment and will be ignored by the browser. If I save the file, you can see the I liked Thanos text is gone. So let's say I want this text back, so I'm gonna uncomment this, save the file, you can see the text is back. Now let's say I want that these 2 lines should be a comment and should be avoided by the browser. So I'm gonna write less than symbol, exclamation sign, 2 hyphens, and after this heading 2 I'm gonna write 2 hyphens and a greater than sign, and if I save the file, these 2 lines are avoided by the browser. Now these 2 lines are comments. So what we can understand that with the help of comments we can find out bugs or problems in our code. We can test our code, like how it is behaving or looking without a portion, and we can do that without deleting that portion of content or code. We just commented them, and we can write references here also for ourselves. That let's say here I have a note that I will create 3 web pages tomorrow. So this portion, this comment portion, has nothing to do with our web page and will be ignored by the browser. In the meantime, let me teach you some shortcuts in a VS Code. So this portion of the code is commented. To uncomment this, I'm gonna select this portion and click on the control and / at the same time. You can see the code is now uncommented. If you save the file now, you can see everything is back. And to comment this again, when the cursor is at the line number 9, click on the control and the / key at the same time, you can see this line is now a comment. If I save the file, you can see the line is gone. If I want to make these 2 lines comment at the same time, I'm gonna select these 2 lines and click on the control and / at the same time. You can see these 2 lines are also a comment now. To uncomment this, I'm gonna click on the control and / at the same time. These are VS Code shortcuts, and there are more shortcuts in VS Code. Let me teach you 2 of them. So if you hold on the Alt key and click on the up arrow key on your keyboard, you can move a line upward or downward. Let's say our cursor is now on the heading 2 tag, which is line number 7. So let's move this line upward. So to do that, I will hold on the Alt key and click on the up arrow key in our keyboard. You can see the h2 tag is going upward. Now let's say I want to move this line downward again. So to do that, I will again put the cursor on that line and hold on the Alt key and click on the down arrow key. You can see the text moved to downward. If you save the file, you can see we have the heading 2 tag, then we have the heading 1 tag. Now let's say I want to make a copy of this heading 2 tag before line number 6. So how will I do that? To do that, I don't have to select this, then Ctrl C to copy, then Ctrl V to paste, but we can do this with shortcuts, which is hold the Shift and Alt key and click on the up button at the same time. You can see the text is duplicated upward or in the previous line. If I focus on the line number 8, which is Thor is awesome, and if I hold on the Shift and Alt key and click on the down key at the same time, you can see this line is duplicated in the next line. Line number 8 is duplicated in the line number 9. So we don't have to select the text, then copy, then go to another line, then Ctrl V to paste. We don't have to do that. Just hold on the Shift and Alt key and click on the down key at the same time. Save the file. You can see that we have our headings.